Today we're going to teach you how to make homemade sausage gravy. Start off by turning your pan on medium-high heat to brown the sausage. 1 pound of sausage. We like to use a cheap brand of sausage because that gives more grease. Yes, cheap brands are fattier sausage. More fat equals more grease equals more flavor in your gravy. Yep. And just chop this into little pieces while it's cooking for it to brown evenly. Once your sausage is nice and browned, it's time to see how much grease it gave you. Ours did not give us as much as we hoped, but that's okay. Now we can show you what to do if yours doesn't give as much as you need either. You just add a little bit more fat from either butter, or we like to use bacon grease because we always have that on hand. So I'm just gonna add a tablespoon or 2 of bacon grease right to the pan. So you want to add just enough flour so that it becomes pasty and that it soaks up all the grease. You want to brown the flour a little bit too, that gives good flavor. Just let the flour cook with the sausage and the grease for a couple minutes until it's a little bit darker. Now we're going to add the milk. We're going to switch to a whisk. And you want to whisk while you're pouring it in, or else you may end up with a lot of clumps if you just add the milk all at once. You can turn the heat to medium and bring your gravy to a boil until it thickens and it's at the consistency you prefer. Make sure you stir it often because it'll start to get thick on the bottom first, and so you always want to be scraping up the bottom so it all can thicken evenly. While it's thickening, you can add salt and pepper. Make sure you give it a taste test or two to make sure it's seasoned adequately. If your gravy gets too thick, you can always add more milk to thin it out. All right, it's thickened, it's seasoned wonderfully. I think we're ready to try it.